Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you view archived stories on Facebook, today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, both from the app and from the browser, in a very easy and clear method as well. So follow up with me till the very end so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Now, since we're gonna start by the app, you need to go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store to make sure we have the app updated for everything to work properly. After that, you can quit and go ahead and open Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account, and then start by tapping here in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, you can tap on your profile name right here to open your profile, and then tap on the three lines right next to edit profile right there. From these options, choose archive right here. Tap on it, and from here it's very easy. Tap on story archive in the top left corner of the screen, and you find every single story right here. You can tap on any one to maybe delete it, or you can tap in the bottom left corner to check the viewers and the reactions on that story, just like that, guys. Now that is how can you do it from the app. If that doesn't work for you, or you just don't use the app, you can go ahead and open your browser and go to facebook.com, as you can see here. Tap again in the top right corner on the three lines this time, and then from here you can open your profile again, and then tap on the three dots again right here. So basically from here it's very similar to the app. You can tap on archive. Again, wait for the website to load up. It's gonna take some seconds, not like the app. And right here again, tap on story archive in the top left corner, and here is the same page that we've been earlier in. You can find your archived stories right here. And that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video, guys.